Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a first impressions unboxing of this tool set from Harbor Freight. This is the 130 piece tool set. You can get it for about $30 with a coupon. Normally it's about $40, so it's pretty inexpensive. The tools are not really the highest of quality, but if you're looking for a backup tool set or a tool set to keep in your truck or your car, this is definitely something to check out. So let's jump right in and take a look at these tools. So here's a close-up of the tools. We've got a pair of vice grips, decent quality, some needle nose pliers. This is like probably one of the tools that I use the most. Regular pliers, I would have preferred these to be kind of like the slip joint pliers. These are would be your wire cutters maybe, I don't know. You got a crescent wrench, Allen keys. These are both metric and American sizes. This is like a bit driver for like a drill or something. Precision screwdrivers to like work on electronics, computers, like eyeglasses, whatever. Different kinds of bits like Phillips head ones and star ones and flat bladed ones and stuff. So a lot of different variety of those. Here's like a bit driver, I guess. A ton of different screwdrivers actually. Phillips head, flat bladed screwdrivers. The handles are not really the highest of quality. I feel like these would break over time. They're kind of cheap plastic. Stubby screwdrivers, those are really handy to have. Kind of a general purpose hammer that you would use in the house. Ratchet, kind of a cheap ratchet. Some extensions here. 5/8 spark plug socket, a measuring tape that measures 3 meters or 10 feet, a kit with like a bunch of nails, I guess for hanging pictures, and some like wall anchors and stuff, like picture hanging stuff. These are metric wrenches, 10 to 15 millimeter, but they don't have a 13 millimeter in here, which is a little bit strange. Then you have American sizes. This is 1/2, 3/8, 7/16, 9/16, 5/8. Then you got a lot of different sockets. They're both metrics and American sizes. So metrics you have from 4 millimeters to 19 millimeters. American one looks like, I guess, 5/32 to 13/16, 3/4, 11/16. I'm not super familiar with the American sizes. I usually use metric. So, but there's a variety of different sockets. Basically what you would get in a standard socket set. And then an adapter for I guess a 1/4 inch socket. So some of these are going to be 1/4 inch ones. Yeah, so some of these are the 1/4 inch type sockets. What is the final verdict on this tool set? I think it's a good deal. I mean, you can get it for $30 with a coupon. I don't know how you could find a cheaper tool set. I looked on Amazon and Walmart for a tool set like this, and I couldn't find something that really had all these different tools, like the vice grips, needle nose, like wrenches, sockets, hammer, everything. Like I said before, the quality of these tools is not the greatest. I wouldn't use them every day. I would use them more as a backup tool set. Good to just like put in your car in case you're broken down somewhere. But overall, I mean, I don't think you can go wrong with the price and the amount of tools that you get with this set.